everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make shrimp gyoza roses. It's quick, gorgeous and delicious idea for parties, holiday seasons. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Mix all the ingredients for the filling. Attach 2 gyoza wrappers, each overlapping about a ½ inch. Put some water around the wrappers. Place the filling thin in the middle of the wrappers. Fold in half horizontally to create 2 semicircles. Roll from one side to the other to create a rose. Seal the end of the rose with water securely. When the rose dumplings are ready, heat cooking oil in a frying pan. Place the dumplings. Add water and cover. When it comes to a boil, cook on medium for 7 minutes. Uncover and cook on high until the water is gone. Sprinkle with some sesame oil. Cook until bottoms of the dumplings are crisp. Serve rose dumplings on top of baby leaf salad. Garnish with grape tomatoes. Finish with sweet chili sauce if you like. Dumplings are already seasoned, so without the sauce is okay. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
お花の餃子作りました。
美味しいよね。
サンデーとお疲れ様。バイバイ。なんで丸いのここが。